Hello guys, welcome. Today I have the opportunity to drive the Honda Civic Type R, the FK8, but the 2018 model. This is almost the same like mine, but a little bit older, and it has some changes. And the reason is because I want to make a video, because this car has the Remus exhaust, and I want to test this for my friends. I have two friends in Greece, Yanis and Leonidas, and the other guy is in Belgium, Christos, and they have also the same car, and we're going to make one video for them. Okay, enjoy the ride. Thank you. noticed something. I don't know if it is this in the models of the 2018. Please give me a feedback, guys. Whoever has the same car, I noticed that this car doesn't have the rev matching. I don't know if I don't know if I'm right or not, but I think this car don't have the rev matching like the 2020. Let's see. I have the third gear, fourth gear, and now no rev matching. I don't know why. So we are doing now one round in Vienna, and we're driving very carefully because this is very important. We love cars, but safety comes first, and this is the best. Safety must be on the first place, because we are not alone on the streets, guys. This is you must be very careful. And now I want to say about my one guy, one friend of me. He asks about how is inside, and I want to tell you, Leonidas, that the Remus exhaust is not so noisy like my Takeda exhaust. So you can be now you can sleep easy, and you can order your Remus because you want the Remus, and you have also small children. And I think the Remus inside in the cabin is not so noisy like the Takeda. The Takeda is very noisy, also from outside is more noisy than the Remus.